students, today we will study about the peripheral nervous system. The nerves arising from the central nervous system forms the peripheral nervous system. The nerves arises from central nervous system, that is brain and spinal cord, and they connected to the different parts of the body. Now, the central nervous system mainly consists of brain and spinal cord. So, depending upon the origin, there are two types of nerves, that is the cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Now, we are going to study in detail all the nerves. First, the cranial nerves. The cranial nerves, they are mainly the nerves arising from cranial nerves. The nerves arising from brain are called as cranial nerves. These nerves are 12 in number and they are mainly the Roman numbers they are used to denote these cranial nerves. So 12 pairs of nerves we will study one by one. Now see here, the cranial nerves, they are mainly sensory, motor and mixed type of nerves, and they arises from the olfactory bulbs, then midbrain, pons varolii and medulla oblongata. The first nerve, it is the olfactory nerve. The olfactory name suggests it is the functions for mainly smell. It originates from the olfactory bulbs. It is sensory in nature. What is meaning sensory? Sensory and motor means they conduct impulses from from receptor organs towards the brain. Such a nerves are called as the sensory nerves. While the motor nerves means nerves which conduct the impulses from central nervous system towards the effector organs are called as the motor nerves. And mixed means both sensory and motor nerves, they are called as a mixed nerves. Now first olfactory nerve, it is the sensory nerve and it functions for the smell. It is originated from the olfactory bulb. Second is optic. It is also sensory nerve. It is originated from the diencephalon, side of diencephalon, and its function is vision. Then third nerve, it is the oculomotor. Oculomotor, it is a motor nerve and it is originated from the midbrain. Now its function is movement of eyeballs. Next is fourth nerve, it is the pathetic. Pathetic is also the motor nerve and it is also originated from the side of midbrain. Its main function is rotation and movement of eyeballs. It is also concerned with the movements of eyeballs. So, oculomotor and pathetic both are concerned with the movement of eyeball. The pathetic, it functions also for the rotation and movement of eyeballs. Next, number 5th is trigeminal. The trigeminal, it is a mixed nerve and its function is sensation of skin, touch, taste and movements of jaws. Now this nerve, it is arises from the ventral side of pons varolii. Ventral sides of pons varolii. So from 5th nerve, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th and up to the 8th, they are arising from the pons varolii. Abducens, which is the motor nerve, it also arises from pons varolii and its function is movement of eye. Now next is number 7, facial nerve. Facial nerve, it is a mixed nerve and arises from pons varolii and its function is facial expressions. The name suggests the facial expression. Facial means it functions for facial expressions, movement of neck, secretion of tears, taste and salivary secretions. So it is about the facial nerve. Next is auditory. The auditory, the name itself suggests it is for the hearing. Also it functions for the equilibrium of body, equilibrium and hearing of the body, and mainly it is sensory in function. It is also arises from the pons varolii. Now next is number 9, glossopharyngeal. Glossopharyngeal, it is the mixed nerve and it arises from the sides of medulla oblongata. Mainly functions for the taste, as it is mainly functions for the taste, salivation and swallowing. It is called as a glossopharyngeal. Now next, number 10, it is the vagus nerve. Vagus, it is a mixed nerve and it mainly controls the visceral movements like breathing, cardiac movements and gastric, pancreatic secretions. Now vagus nerve, it is the longest nerve of the body and it is the only nerve which mainly distributed all over the body. Its branches, it shows many branches which innervates different organs or visceral organs of the body. Then number 11 is the spinal accessory. Spinal accessory, it is a motor nerve and its function is movements of larynx, pharynx, neck and shoulder. Movements of larynx, pharynx, neck and shoulder. So it is about the spinal accessory. It is originated from sides of medulla. Next, last one is the hypoglossal. Hypoglossal, it mainly functions for movement of tongue and it is motor in nature. So see again, the first is olfactory, second optic, third is oculomotor, fourth is pathetic, fifth trigeminal, sixth is abducens, seventh facial, eighth is auditory, ninth is glossopharyngeal, 10th is vagus, 11th is spinal accessory and 12th is hypoglossal. Now I can give you one trick to remember these nerves. Okay. So these tricks are mainly on the occasion of parties. See the sentence, on the occasion of parties, the attractive faces are girls. Visitors say hello. So in each word, the starting alphabet, it indicates, we can remember the alphabet as a name of the nerve. The attractive faces are girls, visitors say hello. See again, on occasion of parties, the attractive faces are girls, visitors say hello. So this is the trick to remember the all 12 names of the cranial nerves. So these cranial nerves, they are mainly 12 in number and they arises from the brain. Now they are denoted by the Roman numbers first to 12 and they are all, that is the sensory, motor and mixed nerves. Okay. So it is about the cranial nerves. Of these cranial nerves, the 10th is the longest nerve and 6th abducens is the smallest cranial nerve. Also, the vagus has the maximum number of branches and it is the longest distribution. So we will stop here. Again we will see in the next lecture spinal nerves.